Hi everyone, Jeff Appleby here with Oakland Realty. It is February 2022 and a wonderful day on the seawall. Try and get outside if you can. A little bit less numbers today, a little bit more discussion. So I think the big surprise is that the Bank of Canada did not decide to raise the overnight lending rates on January 26th, which is a few weeks ago now. And they stated that it was because of the impacts of Omicron and what that was going to do to the jobs numbers and the economy. Which turned out to be true. The jobs numbers that came out about a week and a half later were pretty bad. But I do think that their decision rested partly on the fact that they had been using language promising Canadians that interest rates would be so low for so long. Now they're starting to change that. So they did give a warning that rates will be raising. The other thing is that the Bank of Canada is trying to inflate away this enormous debt that the federal government has taken on in the last 2 years, which is bigger than pretty much every other G20 country. So where does that leave us? We still have ultra low inventory and unfettered buyer demand. So we have had multiple offer nights in the last month, and a lot of them with over 10 groups competing for offers going way over ask. So it has been really tough for buyers out there. The last time it was this busy was in 2017 in the condo market. And that was partway through the year when the Bank of Canada raised rates from also a very historically low overnight lending rate. And that impacted the market sort of 6 to 12 months down the road. So it did take a little bit of time. So frankly, analyst predictions are all over the place. Many are calling for continued price gains throughout the year. Others, like the head of OFC, Canada's banking regulator, said that he thinks the raising rates will end the speculative fever that is happening right now in the market. Now, there are two ways to look at it. We're likely going to see prices continue to climb for the next several months. So if you are looking to get in for the long term, do it sooner than later, as prices will continue to climb up throughout the spring. But if you are an investor or you have some patience, you're not really in a rush, maybe see what Q3, Q4 brings. You might have a little bit better of a buying opportunity then. If you're looking to sell, I'm not sure the iron is going to get much hotter than it is now. We do have, like I said, those multiple offers, a real big imbalance between inventory and buyers. So it really is favoring those sellers. Look at it this way: you sit down at a casino blackjack table with $500. You're up to $1,000. Do you walk, or do you try and win another $100 and risk losing? That's kind of the position I think sellers are in right now. So it might be a good window. The next Bank of Canada meeting, and I mention this again because it is so important to what's going to happen, is March 2nd. We'll have an update for you in about a month. And if you have any questions on specific areas, what's happening, as always, give me a call. Would love to hear from you and help out any way I can. Thanks.